Good evening, everybody. Becky here. How are you? I'm going to show you a tutorial that I've learned from another source in $25 1UP. I'm going to go to my dashboard, my login page. How was everybody's holidays? Mine was okay. I'm logging in my back office. Okay, this is your dashboard back here. The yellow, the purple, and the white. This is all the dashboard. It says it on the left, dashboard, my account, my business, your gold products. I know that I mentioned something about gold products before. I'm going to review them again. Okay, so these are your gold products. You go to gold products, you go to system number 2. Okay, see up here? This is I've already paid my $10 hosting fee. So now I'm going to go to, you hit OK. Now I am going to get into system number 7, the system training. Okay. This is what you get in your back office. This is where you find what you need to start doing. Okay. You have your compensation overview of what the program is. You have your mindset, motivation, which when you feel like giving up, you just click on the video and watch it. Your system training. You have a lot of system training to go through here. On the right hand side, it says gold level 25. Okay. And then on the left side, you have your My Digital Franchise funnel training. You also have your Pro Cash Network funnel training. You also have your postcard templates and submit and support ticket if you don't think that a video was sufficient enough. You can contact support. Okay, in your system training, you click in your system training. It'll take you to another page. Okay. As you see, it took me to all these little boxes here. You read the first step, how to set up your profile payments, how to confirm your payments, other ways to get you paid, how to set up Stripe, how to grab your links. Okay. You also have how to change your password, how to add the third-party autoresponder. But I think for this one, you have to be in platinum and above. How to edit your sales page, how to edit the offer page, how to edit your autoresponder messages, how to set Arbor. And again, I think with the Arbor and the autoresponder messages, you have to have 125 and up. How to set up and get a response. Set up branded site sizzle call. How to set up bridge call. How to edit dashboard. Okay. Now, for those of you who, I wouldn't say lazy, but I know it was way far back, I'm going to show you how to set up your profile payments. Again, so you hit on your setup for your profile payments, it'll pop up. Okay, you can, there's a video here that you can listen to. Okay, that TJ provided with us. Okay, or you can go to your dashboard and you can go to my business. Okay, go to my business. Go to my account. I'm sorry, go to your my account, not my business. Okay, and go to your profile. It'll open up to another page. Okay. Now, on the left hand side, this is your profile item, and the right hand side, your profile information, where you will put. This is, you click your edit profile, and this is another box that will come up. Okay, so your username, your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your country. You have to put all this information in, your zip code. Right here where it says your payment details, okay, I have a notation in here. Please connect me for other arrangements. I have Cash App. My Cash App is ID. I put this here. These are other ways you can get paid. Your PayPal email, whether you have PayPal or you have Interac or something, you can put something there. Okay, the person that signs up under you will have to give you a $35 payment. Okay, this is a preview payment. You open this up, okay, and it'll tell you who your sponsor is. It'll show you what you will get. You will be your own boss. You will get paid daily, but you have to put your part into it. You earn 100% commissions. You have your done for you ad copy. And like I said, you have your mindset audio training. You have your 60% training videos and plus more. You have a branded sales funnel and an email autoresponders for built-in statistics, okay? We do accept American Express, we accept Discover, we accept Master, and your Visa. You have to click on one of these things, which one you will be using to pay for your sponsor just to get the digital product. Now the payment is here. You will click on the green. Okay, this is to submit your payment notification. Okay, if you want to. All right. And also, I have this edit in my back office, as you see. So I hope this helps people who are trying to know how to set up their profile for their payment details. I hope I was a great help. If you like my video, please subscribe it or say that it worked or comment in the section. Thank you. I appreciate your